The king of all sauces would have to be a mushroom sauce, and I just love making it at home from scratch. Now, you can use a variety of beautiful fresh mushrooms, just like I'm doing, a combination of Swiss mushrooms and some classic button mushrooms. I've got shimeji and some oyster mushrooms. And with the oyster mushrooms, all you need to do is just pull them apart like this. I just think they look so pretty when they're just roughly torn apart like that. So I've already started to cook some of my mushrooms and I'll add the rest of them. I like a few textures in my mushroom sauce, so some finely chopped pieces of mushroom and also some sliced mushrooms. We're just getting a bit of colour on them. And I'll also add a French shallot. I've finely chopped the French shallot so that can go in, along with some garlic. And I'm going to add some peppercorns, green peppercorns, because they're milder in flavour and they go so well with our mushrooms. Just roughly chop them and we'll pop them in. Give everything a quick toss. Oh, and it's starting to smell really good. Now I'll add some thyme, a good pinch of thyme that's been chopped. And to deglaze this, you can use red wine, but I love the sweetness of Pedro Jimenez, so a splash of that. Now we can add some stock and just allow that to rapidly boil to reduce. And this is my little trick. If you can get your hands on demi-glaze, which you can get from some of your butchers, it gives it a real depth of flavour. So a good splash of that. Essentially, it's stock that's been reduced for a very long time until it gets that gorgeous concentrated flavour. So a splash of cream. I'll also add a small pinch of salt now. Just let all of those flavours mingle, stirring in that cream. And as it starts to thicken, it's ready. Look at that gloss, so delightful. Finish off with some fresh parsley and we're good to go. All that we need now is a juicy steak to serve this mushroom sauce with. It also is really delicious with some chicken.